Hello, friends. This is Rebecca Suerdieck with your next installment of This Week in Williamsburg, brought to you by archivewilliamsburg.org and the Williamsburg Old Time Radio Hour. This week in 1897, a luxury stagecoach began carrying visitors around Williamsburg. It traveled 7 miles on the unpaved road to Jamestown, stopping at points of interest along the way. This week in 1919, 11 couples traveled to Williamsburg to begin their life together at one of America's most sacred shrines. Reverend Jones of Bruton Parish performed this record number of marriage ceremonies for Valentine's Day. The historic sanctuary was proving to be a popular destination for weddings. This Glance at the Past has been brought to you by archivewilliamsburg.org and the Williamsburg Old Time Radio Hour, where hometown history comes alive, online, on stage, and on the air. I'm Rebecca Suerdieck. Thanks for listening.